Amoxicillin is used to treat ear infections, sinus infections, throat infections like strep throat, and respiratory infections. Some common brands you might recognize are Amoxil, Amoxicare, and Amoxin. Ciprofloxacin, often known as Cipro, is often prescribed for urinary tract infections, respiratory infections, bacterial diarrhea, and certain skin infections. You may come across brands like Ciprol, Ciproxin, and Ciproflox. Azithromycin, commonly referred to as Z-Pak, is used for respiratory infections such as bronchitis and pneumonia, skin infections, and some sexually transmitted infections. It's also sometimes prescribed for ear infections. Brands you might hear about include Azomax, Zithro, and Zetro. Doxycycline. This antibiotic is used to treat a variety of conditions, including acne, respiratory infections, and Lyme disease. It is also used for malaria prevention and can be effective against some skin infections. You might see it under the brand names Doxylin, Doxy, or Vibromycin. Cephalexin, also known as Keflex. This antibiotic is commonly used for treating skin infections, respiratory infections, bone infections, and urinary tract infections. You might find it under the brand names Keflex, Cephalin, or Cefred. These antibiotics should be used only when prescribed by a doctor to ensure they are appropriate for the infection and to avoid antibiotic resistance.